welcome to Placements Prep. So it has been long ago since I am not uploading the videos in my channel. Anyways, don't worry, I will be giving updates in my channel up to date. And the one important thing I want to share with you all is that we all know it's a pandemic situation and we can't go out and learn some new technologies in offline. So don't worry, here is a golden opportunity to learn those courses for free in online itself. As we all are aware of programming languages and their importance in our real-time future. Without programming language, we are not going to survive in IT industry. So for an individual, at least one programming is compulsory. And don't be panic, I am here to share with you the free online training live courses which will be taught by experts from Satya Technologies, Hyderabad, Amirpet. So if any people is interested, please ping me in comment box. I will share you the link to register for those online training courses. And I request you all to don't waste your time. It has already 1 year wasted due to this hectic situation. So guys, let all of you wake up and gear up your future and achieve your dream job in dream companies. Okay? Hope you understand. Now, the free courses offering by Satya Institute are Core Java. It has been already started daily 1 hour for 30 days, and the timings will be morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the platform will be in Zoom. And the next course is Python. It is also started today itself. So register for it earlier and attend the classes regularly and become a good programmer. And the timings for Python will be same 11 to 12, morning 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and it is also for 30 days. And next course is UI Technologies. UI Technologies nothing but HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They are going to teach all these in UI Technologies. And it is also free course. It has also been started. So register for all those which are interested and start learning. All the best for your future and don't waste your time. Please register for it and learn it. Hoping you will register for it and achieve success in your life. And at the end, I want to tell you one important thing is that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it so that most probably you will be the first to learn and gear up. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update which I am uploading in my channel. And also share the video with your friends so that they will be getting benefited through my channel. And till we meet again, it's bye.